Hi, I'm so glad that you're here and that we can spend time together learning how to be better math teachers. Because our students are at such varied levels, small group instruction is my preferred method. But what in the world do we do with the others? We need them to be quiet-ish. We want them engaged in quality math, and we need them to leave us alone so that we can work with our small groups. Marcy Cook tiling activities have been the solution to this problem for me, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of her task card series called the doubles. They're called the doubles because it requires 2 students and 2 sets of tiles. They come in a set with 20 cards, and you don't even have to laminate them. They're on cardstock, and I've been using mine unlaminated for years and years. And you don't have to go in any particular order. She does provide a little tracking sheet so that when a student finishes a card, for example, this is card number 13, they just color in the box that goes with number 13 to just keep track. I don't take grades for these. This is just something that they can do for the enjoyment and learning of math. And the only thing I do is, as far as record keeping, is I do have a sheet where I keep track of what sets they have completed, just to hold them accountable. I always start with the do doubles tiles. It's a beautiful set to introduce to the students because there are a lot of review concepts. You do have to teach your students to not write on these at all. They are pencil-less activities just using the tiles. 10 more than 67. How many cents are represented by these coins? But there are always a couple problems that you have to save for the end when the tile possibilities are limited. For example, both digits the same. In the beginning, there are too many choices. You have to wait until the end for those. When they have completed the do double sets, the next set is double tiles. It gets a little more challenging. Odd number between 2 dozen and 4 dozen. Again, you need to wait till the end for that one. And when this one is finished, there's one more in the series called Double Tiles 2. And this one gets really challenging. 3 less than 1/4 the number of degrees in a circle. These even work well for remote learning. We started the year remotely, and so what I did is I copied 2 complete sets. I did double tiles and do doubles, and I know it was a lot of paper, but it was worth it to me. And I sent each student home with both of those sets of cards. They were just sheets. They weren't actually cards, but you know what I mean. And then 2 sets of tiles each. And then I put the students in breakout rooms, and they were able to do tiling activities even when we were remote. Alestia, at the end of the year, came to me and said, "Well, Mrs. Matsuda, I still don't like math, but I don't despise it anymore." That's progress, and the tiling activities were a big part of what helped her not to despise math anymore. You are a math person, and you are enough, and I wish you happiness in this week. Goodbye.